one rod that hadn't got messed with all night is the one that caught the first fish. Just saying. Oh, man. Middle rod went for a run earlier. Didn't hook up. Hey, Courtney Boo.
Didn't do it.
Are you off work tomorrow or you back at it?
I work 7 in the morning to 3 in the afternoon.
Oh, Lord. And you got rain coming too, right?
I have no idea. I thought it was going to rain today, but it didn't.
It didn't rain?
It didn't.
Well, you didn't sound like you need to be out anyway.
I didn't really need to be out either, but I'm here. It's fine. It would have been a waste of gas going over there and not going back home. And Sammy got that good medicine. I left mine at the store.
Yeah, Sammy got that night shift.
Mm-hmm. Which I'm not really surprised. It probably already turned into a sinus infection. I just hope I can help. The wreck's still going on.